Hey, thanks for coming to check out another crochet hair tutorial. So this one is on some curly locks that I did get from a company, Walnut Hair. So thank you so much, Walnut Hair, for sending over these crochets. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. Y'all have to stop talking, I'm recording. All right, so they did send over 3 packs and they did tell me that this is 72 strands of hair. So let's go ahead and open up the first pack. Each strand looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4 curly pieces and a curly end at the bottom. So the loop looks pretty small, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. I mean, this is a lot of hair that we have to try to get through the loop, but you don't want the loop so big that the crochet looks like it's hanging. And it looks like if you hold the loop, you can pull it down and make it wider. So that's always a good thing. Now let's go ahead and get into my braid pattern. So the braid pattern is pretty standard for when I just want a middle part only. What I've been doing lately is just leaving the first 2 braids out to make it look a little more natural. I do 1 box braid at the front of these 2 braids. Just do a regular cornrow straight to the back on no corner braid. I do box braids at the top for the middle part, and I will connect these 2 box braids into one of the cornrows. So in the back, I just split my hair. Well, I just did 1 cornrow going across to relieve tension. So I just did 1 cornrow going across. I split my hair in half and I just did 1 cornrow on either side and just crocheted the end of the braid in. So very simple lazy girl technique. Maybe it's not so lazy girl in the front, but it's definitely lazy in the back because I really don't care about the back ever. And honestly, sometimes I find the less parting spaces you have in the back, the more natural it looks, because it just looks more natural. I don't know why. But anyway, I'm hoping this is enough hair. So I'm going to start crocheting it in and I'll come back to you and let you guys know my final thoughts at the end. But what I'm going to do, since I'm concerned about how much hair I have, I'm going to start crocheting in the front. And then I will move to the back and just fill in as much as I can. And hopefully it'll be enough. All right, so I put in the whole left side. This is how many I have left in the first pack. And then I grabbed an old crochet that I had. It's just a crochet lock. I unraveled it to about here. And I'm just gonna use this unraveled hair to go ahead and cover up my hair on this first lock, because this lock is too tight for me to try to go through it. So I just loop my hair around several times. Hopefully you can see that my hair is just looped underneath my own. I just stuck the needle underneath, pulled my hair through, and just looped it through the loop of this. And I'll show it again on this one. And then I'm just gonna take this little bit of hair right here and just try to, I don't know, try to cover my hair. I feel like I've done this before, but it feels very awkward right now. And yeah, I made it too thick, so I'm gonna take this out, make it thinner. And I'm gonna do the other side now, and I'll come back once the front is done. And then I'll do the back and come back and give my final thoughts. All right, so this is how far one pack got me. So this is the next pack. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, so I'm down to the last one. I fixed this one so it's a little bit smaller and less fluffy. So I just used a lot less hair. So let me just tuck this one back. So what I do is just put the hook through, pull my hair through the loop. I try to make it like pretty short because I don't want to have to wrap a whole lot. So I make it pretty short, double the hair back up here, crochet it through. Make sure it didn't get any longer, keep it to where I want it to be. And then just put my hair through the loop again of the crochet. And yeah, since I made it pretty short, I'll probably have to just put it through one more time. Yeah, that should be good right there. So that, you know, all of my hair can just be tucked underneath. So I took a lot less hair. So what I do is just take the shorter end, lay it right here, and just start wrapping around at the base. And then just start kind of going down. And as you keep kind of going down, you'll kind of figure out where it kind of got away from your hair and got onto the thing, onto the actual crochet. So once you do that, you want to just cover up like that line of demarcation as much as possible, where your hair ends and the lock begins. That's the area you really want to try to disguise. Then you may have a little bit from that initial piece that you laid flat. So I have a little bit from that initial piece. So I'm just gonna wrap that up as well. And then just kind of run my finger along it, just to kind of combine it in. That's pretty much how you could do it. And honestly, you could do your whole head like this. I'm just too lazy, but if you did your whole head like this, that would be really, really pretty. My daughter does it all the time. She has the patience for it. I don't. And I don't wear my hair long enough. A month, 2 months, you could definitely install it like this. But so I have this left and one more pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and I will be back with my final thoughts. So this is the end result. Sorry, it's really early in the morning and the sun is shining bright through my window. So that's why you're seeing the lighting looking like this. But so this is the next day. I did define my curls yesterday and let them air dry. So this is what it's looking like. I didn't even wrap my hair. Put my bonnet on last night. We had so much company over last night. We really had like a nice little evening playing card games and hanging out with friends. So yeah, by the time I fell asleep, I had a few too many glasses of wine and did not put my bonnet on. But look how cute this looks. Really, really pretty. The length is really perfect. Very everyday type of length, but still has that drama from the curls. I love the color. I love that it's 1B. I haven't had 1B in a while. From my my braids, my goddess braids and locks and stuff. So it's nice to have a really pretty dark, natural black. Really pretty. definitely loving how these came out. Now, of course, I would like more braids, especially in the back. Like, I would like more braids in here. So I would definitely say more braids are needed. But you can disguise it. You can absolutely disguise it, especially if you don't want it too heavy. Like, I think it looks like a natural density. I think it definitely looks like a natural density when it's all in the back. But when you kind of like split it and have it kind of in the front, it just feels like it could be a little bit more hair. And of course, it's human hair on the ends. So you're gonna be able to wash, condition your hair, let it air dry. Great vacation hair. My niece came over yesterday. She was just like, oh my gosh, you look like you're ready for the beach. So it's definitely vacation hair. And I'm loving it. I think it's really, really cute. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave links down below to Walnut Hair. Thank you for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I'll put some pictures in, and definitely make sure you're following me on my Instagram and you're checking out my community tab here on YouTube. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do one thing, well, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that subscribe button. Do one thing for me. Share the video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a crochet lover. Share this video with your mama. And I forgot to mention this cute little workout set. This is from Amazon. So the set is from Amazon. Really, really cute. Love the color. The jacket does open. Really cute workout set. I love that the jacket is not too heavy. It's kind of lightweight. And I absolutely love the color. That is like $14. So you know, when I found it, I had to grab it. So if you're looking for a cute workout set under $15, definitely check this one out, and I'll leave it in the link down below. All right, you guys. Bye.